Hi there! In this video, I will give you a quick guide on how you can send money from Revolut to a bank account. So please listen carefully to each step that I will be explaining because I will describe everything clearly so you can follow along even if your screen looks a little different. So before starting, make sure that you have the correct plan or version that supports this feature so you will have full access to everything you need. So of course, you have to make sure as well that your country actually supports or has Revolut so that you will be able to proceed to the next steps. Um, of course, open your Revolut app or your website and log in with your credentials or create a new one if you don't have one yet. Then tap payments, and then what you will have to do after tapping payments, you will go to bank account, and then you will enter recipient's account number, bank name, and then amount. And then what you will have to do is review all those and simply just tap send. Money sent, and then the confirmation will be displayed in app. And that's basically just it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I really hope it was helpful for you. And if it was, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have a good day.